Right, what up guys? Welcome back. So we're going to be doing the font class. So let's go here to the font class on my other screen. And let's make the font class. So basically how I set this up. Oh, I set it up differently this time though. That's a shame. Totally different now. Well, so basically the font class is very similar to the freaking sprite class, so we're going to put that in. We're going to say okay to that, and we're just going to change this to font, and that to font as well. The main difference between the font class and the sprite class is basically one thing, and this would be, we'd be using that as well here. This would be the font sheet. So we're just going to substitute that with most of this stuff. And then we have get font. So I cannot assign a value to a final variable font. Well, you did with sprite, didn't you? No, not really. Alright, so we're not going to do that then. There we go. Everybody's happy now. Okay, so instead of W sprite, we say W font, I guess? Or like letter would be more appropriate, wouldn't it? Here we go. So that's the size of the letter. And there we go. Okay, so that's depending on the actual how we set it up and stuff. What do we do? We could probably need that. We can hold to that. And this would be called the font sheet. And font array, I guess, but I don't think we need it. Get letter. Let's just say get letter. So yeah. Alright, so I guess we have to do this buffered image, and we can go get font, I guess, because it's named that. And we're looking for a char variable called letter, and we have to do int value, so we have to find the value of that letter. I guess we could just do just that, really. And then module the W letter, right? And then write H letter. Then we just simply do the turn the font sheet, right? Dot get subimage. And just do X, Y, W, just like that. Oh, we should probably like initialize this. I think that's okay. Let's just, maybe not. We'll try that out for now and see if that works. So we don't need this. And that's it for the font sheet, hopefully. Hopefully this is gonna work. Instead of load this right, it should be like load font. So we're gonna do that. Where's load? Paste that, and then we got a couple of errors. And then, oh, let's just ignore. Hey guys, what up? So something happened to my recording and it just cut itself. And right when I deleted all these imported classes, that was not necessary. And if there was an error, if you still have an error on your screen, I guess pause it and just look through what I did. So what I did while I didn't notice that I was not recording anymore, I just basically, from packages I went to projects, I created a folder by right-clicking new, then directory, then created like a folder called res, and I made this, and I made another, and I right-clicked there, then directory, then made font, and then I looked for a font thing. Oh, look at that! And this is what's in the font file that I have. It's basically this thing here. Can't really move around, but yeah. So as you can see, everything's like that. This is gonna be weird, but yeah. Actually, I can show you this. Where's Google? Where's Google? So we have something called the ASCII table, and each letter is assigned a value, basically. So as you can see, the uppercase A is assigned to 65, lowercase a is 97, and at this point here, this uppercase A is 0. So yeah, 0 in the ASCII value is going to be null. So we can't exactly do that, can we? There's a way to combat that, is that if we go to the font, I guess, and where was it? I think it was get font, wasn't it? Where's get font? There's get font. So here in letter, what we could do is do -65, and that'll be 0. So if we have a uppercase A, it will be 0 because -65 minus 65 will be 0, and that will give us the this A right here. And same thing goes for everything else, except for when we come to this hyphen here, because that's a different ASCII value. The hyphen is I think this is the hyphen. Is this the hyphen? Oh, let me make sure. Yeah, it is. So it's number 45. So that doesn't really go well, because if we do that, 45 minus 65 is like -20, and it's not really, this hyphen's not located in -20. It's in fact located in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like 27 or 26. So yeah, it's 26 because we start from 0. So it's 26. Is that where the hyphen is? And anything beyond the hyphen we can't really work with. So we need to find a way around that as well. So that's fun. Or we can actually make the whole ASCII table. So make like our font sheet exactly as this table here, and position each one of these squares as so. So yeah, we can do that. And I think this is, each letter is 16 by 16 pixels. So that's one thing to note. And so yeah, let's see if that works. If it doesn't, then that sucks. So yeah, let's go to the to our little play state here, and let's see if we can get rid of this as well. So we need, of course, is a sprite sheet, and we do have a sprite sheet. So let's see if we can load it in first. So what we're going to do is we're going to go private sprite, and we're going to call it the font. Basically, let's call it just font. And then in here, in this constructor here, we're going to actually initialize it. It's going to be equal to new sprite, and we're going to give it, actually, this will be font. Yeah, that'll be font. So it would be font. Would not be sprite. I'm sorry. Be font. And we give it the actual location of where it is. So right now it's in the res file, res.font.zelda.png. So that's where it's located right now. And we need to give it, I think it's 16 by 16. So we need to do that to it. That should be good. So let's see if we can actually load that in. So we're gonna compile it and run it. No, we can't. Loading it in, and error cannot find file. So something is wrong with this part here. Null pointer exception. I think this is a null, probably. So it didn't load it. So that's what's the cause. Okay. Let's see if we can print this out to get a better idea what's going on. That didn't work as planned. Okay, what did I do? Well, I did it that way, but that's different. Okay, so then that means where's freaking stupid play state? Okay, so there's one difference that I did. Was this, where's play state? Simply I did that and it started working. Actually, I didn't even do that, did I? Just did that. Let's see if that works. Nope, as expected. And how did I get this working? That's super weird. Okay, let me check something really quick. Let's go desktop, computer science, Java, 2D game engine. So the rest folder is right here, right? So when I build it, I don't include the rest file at all, right? Nor when I run it, do I include the rest folder? Nope. Alright, that's even weirder. So it didn't fail for sure, but it fails with something else entirely. Okay. Yeah. Damn, that sucks. This is the source folder. And let's just quickly go back there again. And I have the source folder right here. Right there. Together. But what does this say? I'm gonna have to figure this out. So, meanwhile, I'll be right back. Alright, what's up guys? So I figured it out. Basically all you need to do is go to File. So yeah, keep everything the same basically. Go to the File, go to Project Structure, and click on your res folder, and then mark it as source, basically. hit apply, then okay, then everything should be fine. All I have to do is make this res folder a source folder, and once you've done that, the folder here will turn blue. So yeah, and basically it'll work now. So if you go F10, everything works, and you get this thing here, but that's okay, because that was intentional. So let's go back to I think it was font. So here, so let's take that out. Don't need that anymore. So yeah, and that's basically how you load in a font. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to actually print some words out now. So if you remember, we have the sprite class still. Then we can draw an array, and we can use the font. So if we go G, F, then here is the position, I think, or the word. We need the word. So the word would be, has to be all uppercase. And then the position, we have to go new vector to F, and we have to give it position. We're going to say 100 by 100. So that's okay. And then we need the offsets. Is this the offsets? Or the width? The width. 32 by 32, and we need a X offset. So I'm going to say 32, and the Y offset, we're going to say 0 because we don't need it to move it. And it's font. So there we go. That's hopefully that works. Fingers crossed. And it sort of works. As you can see there, that's the whole thing there. So something's totally off. Maybe it could be something with the width. Maybe. Let's keep it like that. And what am I doing? We don't need to do that. Let's see if this works. What am I doing that for? Shift 10. Shift F10. Allow access, I guess. Don't know what that's about. But okay, we just made it smaller. So it might be something with the offset. 32 by 32. I keep doing that. Shift F10. And it's all bunched together still, and we have an A, even though we don't have an A. So actually maybe something with the font class. So we set it to 16 by 16. I think that's right. Actually, instead of dividing by, it's divided by the W letter. I have a feeling that made it mess up a bit. Nope. X, Y, W and H. Let's look at my font sheet really quick. Dun, dun, dun. That looks right. The font sheet, not get width. And we load it. Okay. It looks okay. Get char. Turn the font sheet. I get sub-image. That sucks. Let's see if we're getting the right values. Oh. I keep doing that. I don't know why I keep doing that. So at the very beginning, let's look at the sprite sheet really quick. So we said your mom, right? So that's Y. So that's all the way over here. And we say it's 24. That kind of looks like 24 because this is 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, is that right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's 9 tiles. It's gonna be another 9 tiles. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so maybe we did mess up a bit there. Let's go to font. 74 probably, right? And we could test that. Go to play state, and we just put your mom, and screw the space. I keep doing that. Shift F10. And let's see if we get a 0. We get a 1, so never mind. Where is it? So it is 5. Hold on. How did it look? Yeah, that didn't help. And something's off with the offset as well, so we can go back to the sprite. I feel like that should be in there. Right? Yeah, we get more of a space, but it's completely different words. Let's go to the play state. Instead of 64, it should be like 32 or something. So let's try that. Still get like an A though. So we got a 0. Where's font? Where's freaking font? Where's font? Little piece of crap. So I guess the only thing we can do is see if the font is right. If we're actually getting the right values. Oops. Ah! Stop it. And F10. Seems like we're getting the right values. So let's confirm that. So 0, 0, of course. And then we need a Y, so we need to go, we go a little bit too far down actually. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 0, 1, 2, so that's a K. But it doesn't look like a K, does it though? Kind of looks like the H there. So that sucks. Probably something dealing with do you know what we could do? Do that. And so now we're using that method. Because that makes the most sense, right? There we go. So that's how you do that. Basically the problem was I forgot to times it by the width and height of the actual exposition, so that's why it wasn't the right thing that we did. Because if you go back to the sprite sheet, you'll see that I did this. Where's the freaking stupid little... There it is. So I times it by the width, but I was basically doing this with the font sheet, which was wrong. That's why we get the the weird thingamajig there. So make sure you times it by the width on this font sheet here. So that's why I use this method, because I saw that this method was already doing that. So I was like, hey, why not use the method? So yeah, that's basically how you do that. And if you go back to the play state, we say A your mom, right? And we can actually just make this 16. And if we actually run it, you can see A your mom right there. So that works fine and dandy. The problem is when you make it lowercase, that's where it gets tricky. Shift F10, and this happened. Oh, it works. How did that work? How in the world? Oh no, okay, no, that makes sense. Because it's still extracted by 65. Because it just moves everything down. Okay, my bad. So where's the freaking ASCII table? So yeah, ASCII table. Beautiful table. Amazing. Amazing table. So what's happening here is so everything below 65 will probably be hard to render. So if we actually do the hyphen, so if we go to the play state again, and let's say we do a hyphen here, and let's go ahead and do a question mark, you'll see we get like the index raster format exception thing, because these things are less than 65, are the first character of A. So yeah, that's a problem, and we're going to handle that next time. So yeah, hopefully you understood that.